Can we solve it? Let's go. All right. So what we have in this problem is this equation, and looks pretty complicated. There's a restriction for x, and then they're asking what is the value of a. So the first thing that I want to see here is if I can substitute the value of a as one of the answers, then if I can get it quickly, that'll be my first approach. But I am unable to do that because if I substitute one of these numbers, that's not going to make things any less complicated. Okay, and so we're just going to have to go ahead and solve it. All right, so let's see what we can do. So first thing I notice is there's a common denominator. So I'm going to take this entire term and bring it to the other side. Okay, all right, so and there's a negative, so as this goes to the other side, this whole term is going to become positive. So positive 53 divided by ax minus 2. And why did we do that? Because there's a common denominator. Now we can add those together when we do LCD. Okay, so let's LCD that. So we write ax minus 2 in the denominator and put a line. And then we can add the numerators up, right? So 24x squared plus 25x minus 47 plus 53 equals whatever is on the right hand side, which is negative 8x minus 3. Now see, notice in the numerator, to simplify, this is the only thing we can simplify. We add the like terms. So we get negative 47 plus 53 is 6. So everything else, you just write it out. Divided by ax minus 2 equals negative 8x minus 3. So notice now what we can do is take the denominator and move it to the other side, cross multiply it, so that we can multiply those two terms, okay, or those two of those. So we can go ahead and cross multiply that, and we'll see what happens. So we write the numerator as it is, 24x squared plus 25x plus 6 equals ax minus 2 times negative 8x minus 3. Now I can go ahead and FOIL, or basically distribute these, and see if I can solve that. So ax times negative 8x and so on and so forth we can do. So we have negative 8ax squared, okay, for the first one when we multiply that, and then so on and so forth when it's negative 3 times ax and negative 3x and negative 2 times negative 8x plus 16x and plus 6. Now we're going to use the principle of equivalency here. We see an x squared, we see an x squared, and we see a coefficient and a coefficient. So we can set those equal to each other. We do not have to worry about anything else right now, because we can set 24 equals negative 8a. Remember, these two are the coefficients. Now divide both sides by negative 8. And then cancel that, and then a equals 24 divided by negative is negative 3. So that's the value of a. And let's see, yes, we do have indeed a choice. A choice B is the correct answer, negative 3. All right, so that is done. That is solved. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll talk to you in the next video. Okay, bye-bye.